say, I will save $1,000 by the end of this month. By setting a clear and specific goal, you activate your brain to start finding ways to make it happen. So take a moment to visualize what it would feel like to have an extra $1,000. Write it down and commit to it. Look for quick and easy ways to make some extra cash. Tutor online. If you're good at a particular subject, offer your services to students who need help. You can tutor online or in person. The great thing about this is that you can set your own hours and rates. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more finance tips every week. Your future self will thank you. Until next time, happy saving. Freelance data entry. Many businesses need people to input data into their systems. This is a great opportunity for those who are detail-oriented and have a knack for organization. You can find these gigs on freelancing websites, sell old items, have clothes, accessories, or gadgets collecting dust in your closet or drawer. Sell them online. You can list your items on selling platforms and make some extra cash while decluttering your space. Helping neighbors with errands. Do you have a neighbor who needs help with grocery shopping or running errands? Offer your services in exchange for a few bucks. This is a great way to give back to your community while earning some extra income. So get creative and explore different options to find what works best for you. Whether it's freelancing, selling items, or offering services in your community, there are plenty of ways to boost your income and reach your savings goal. Plus, earning extra money can provide you with financial flexibility and peace of mind. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to save $1,000 in just 1 month. And it's easier than you think. This means setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. By automating your savings, you ensure that you consistently put money aside without being tempted to spend it. It's the best way to stay committed to your savings goals. Now that you have your monthly goal, $1,000, divide it into daily targets. It might seem challenging, but with determination and consistency, it's entirely possible. Remember, every journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So start today and watch your savings grow. $1,000 in 30 days equals $33 per day. When you focus on saving just $33 daily, it feels much more doable, right? Remember, small consistent actions lead to big results. So break down your big goal into smaller daily targets and celebrate your progress each day. Step 1. Set your exact goal. Don't just say, I want to save money. Be specific. Step 2. Break it into daily targets. Now that you know how much you need to save daily, look for areas where you can cut back. For example, coffee shop drinks. If you buy a couple of coffees out each week, it can cost you anywhere from $3 to $5 per day. Instead, brew your own coffee at home. You'll save money and still enjoy a great cup of joe. Eating out. Eating at restaurants can be expensive and often leads to overspending. Cook your own meals at home. Not only will you save money, but you'll also eat healthier and have more control over what goes into your body. Cancel unused subscriptions. We all have subscriptions we no longer use, whether it is a streaming service you don't watch anymore or a gym membership you never go to. Take a look at your bank statements and credit card bills and identify any unused subscriptions. Cancel them and put that money towards your savings goal. By cutting back on unnecessary expenses, you free up more of your income to save. It might mean making some sacrifices, but remember why you're doing this. Every dollar you save brings you closer to your goal of having $1,000 in just 30 days. Step 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Step 4. Find quick side income. While cutting expenses is important, another way to reach your savings. Step 1. Automate savings. Once you set up a system to save, it's essential to help save $1,000? Comment below.